Storyline part. What? Oh, we out. Snitch on us.
Surprise, motherfucker!
So you found my little secret?
So boom. Basically, the first 5 hours of me recording this got messed up, and I was only able to salvage the final hours. So yeah, enjoy. My fault, y'all. We gonna run that shit back. We gonna run that shit back. We gonna run that shit back. We gonna run it back. We gonna run it back. Oh, I think it's L. I think it's L. Yeah, nah, I can't do it. They won't let me do it again. Yeah, they won't let me do it again. Yeah, nah, they won't let me do it. Cause I peeped the sin. Oh, they are? Are they? They let me get my run back or? Nah, they're not letting me get my run back. I knew it. I knew it. Look, if I knew, bro, I should have peed game.
I don't want to go.
Look, it'll only take a couple of days.
Ooh, that fucker number one.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the only way, Lauren. Trust me. Now go stay with your mother for a few days. I'll come and get you when this is over.
Nah, right.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise you.
Yo, who? What? Yo, why the gatekeeping the name, yo? Why they gatekeeping the name out here? Who is he?
Hang on, John. I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry. I think the water's rising. I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
Okay, come on.
Mom's work is too far away. I'd never make it in time. Need to get help fast. John's gonna drown.
This the Malibu, by the way. That's the Malibu right there.
Gotta find someone. The water's still rising. John won't be able to hang on for long.
He will not be. Come on.
Dad, I've gotta get Dad. He's the only one who can save John.
Come on,
Gotta
get Pop.
move. This place is completely deserted. There's no one around. Dad, it's John. He found your bus. He's
Get out of
coming.
here, you little pet.
Come on, Bo.
Come, Dad.
Damn, this
Come
sucks.
on,
This
John's
shitty
gonna
ass
die.
father.
John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you.
Damn.
John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did I
die,
tell
Dad.
ya? Crap!
What a useless man.
Please, Dad. You've got to save John.
And he's still drinking. These alcoholics, yeah.
I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please.
Yeah, John is cooked, dog.
Don't forget about me, Scotty.
Scotty? That's his name, Scotty? His name is Scotty. Do we know a Scotty? Scotty is the killer's name. Scotty's the killer's name. But do we even know a Scotty, though? Who in the story's named Scotty? Damn, but I really wonder. Alan Winter. Who is Scotty? Yeah, he's just burning everything now. Damn. But I really didn't know I had to, like, I did not know how to keep investigating further on. No, I should have peed game. No, I should have peed game. I should have peed game. That's on me. That's on me. I should have peed game. But why are you burning everything though? Oh, damn. The picture of the killer. Oh, damn, he went everywhere. Did you get it? Nah, I didn't get it. It just went back forward. Yes, I sold. And that storyline. I sold on that storyline part. What? 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 He's the killer. He's the kill. He's the killer. He's the origami killer. Oh my God, he's the origami killer. Oh my God, my cast is cooked. My cast is cooked. My cast is cooked, bro. Right. So when I saw with the cop, the FBI agent, I was thinking like, oh, we chilling because one of our other characters, he's a badass PI, personal investigator. Oh, these niggas is cooked. Oh, Scotty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Scotty's the fucking... He's the killer, dog. Oh my God, that's the plot twist of the century. He's the killer. He's the killer. He's the killer, yo. He's the killer, yo.
Lots you touch, girl.
Dog, he's the killer, man.
The origami killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is. Gotta be fast. He could come back anytime.
He burnt everything, though.
I'll go through it, room by room, but there's bound to be some kind of clue.
Office. Office. Nothing else? Nothing else? I thought he was the... I thought that was my goat. I thought he was my goat, yo. That's the same blick.
He used to be a cop. Probably knew exactly how an investigation would be carried out.
And he burnt the
That's
fucking...
where the smell of burning comes from. Evidence going up in smoke.
He burnt all the evidence, dog. Fuck.
A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Oh! Wait, hold up. I feel it's more in... He was dressed like a cop getting the kids, dog. The nigga with the glasses was supposed to... Dog, I'm a sellout. I'm a sellout, yo. He was supposed... Bro, I feel like it's gonna play, bro. The worst part is I already know how it's gonna play out. Homegirl right here, she gonna get caught lacking, and since the cop didn't know ball, she might die. No. Bro, I'm tight. Me neither, I'm not gonna lie. I never watched the Heavyrain playthrough. Me neither, dog. But I just checked. The glasses portion, I was supposed to cook. Yeah, like you said, I was supposed to cook, gang. I was supposed to cook. Yeah, I was supposed to cook.
Shit, it needs a
I was
password.
supposed to cook. I figured that much. It's not John. Shepard? Fuck. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, let me think. Grandma. Max. I'm not a nigga like his dog. His
Got
dog
it.
Max. Yes, his dog Max.
The name John gave to his paper dogs when he was a child.
What the hell is that? An address. It's gotta be where Sean Mars is.
Oh, yo, Mars, you cooked. You cooked. That's the address. That's the address he's at. Theodore Roosevelt Road. Oh, we
Hurry.
lit.
There's no time to lose.
Ah, we out. Snitching on this nigga. Oh!
So you found my little secret?
It's over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
Scott!
There's one child left.
Scott!
There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
Scott! This isn't you! Please, no. Please, no. Oh, he's gonna burn this entire bitch up. He's gonna burn this bitch up. And I gave up as the... Oh my god, I'm pissed. And I know for this she's gonna blow this bitch up, dog. And I'm cooked. I'm finished. Oh my god, I'm tight. I'm mad. He's gonna blow this bitch up and I'm gonna be the one to. Oh my god, don't tell me it's ending like this, yo. Don't tell me it's ending like this. Oh yeah, so basically the way how they're setting up the story is, right, every single character is finding a clue, right, to go to the same spot and meet up. That's how I have four. I played through 4 characters. This girl. Yes, essentially yes. So I got Ethan, the kid's father, Sean's dad, the cop, her, and Scott. He was the other guy was at 4 characters, but Scott's the op, yo. I'm trying to think. Yes, I fucked up one of the stories. Fuck. I'm tight, yo. He's about to burn this bitch. I'm tight, yo. I'm tight, yo. Bro, I'm tight, bro. You don't understand, dog. I bet you know. It's locking season. Yeah, there's no point. That's still shut. Come on. Up. Come on. Oh yeah, that's cracking. Let me hit again. What you gonna do? Oh, he's bumming his. I'm so cooked. Yo, Brody, I'm so cooked. Oh, I'm so cooked. No, it can't end like this, yo. It can't end like this. Oh God, it can't end like this. Fuck, locking, yo. Let me hit one. Oh yeah. Come on. Hit that shit. Yes, I'm out. Skedaddle. Oh, this piece of shit, you mother. Oh, you mother. I hate you. Come on. It's locked in season. Up. I wouldn't have kept banging out. Oh, you saying IRL, you would have just like said, F it, you done? Bro said IRL, you would have said, fuck it, it's over. That's funny. That's actually funny. Bro would have said, it's over for you, nigga. Not gonna lie. Oops, what the fuck? Come on, what the hell? L1. Yo, lock in. Come on. There we go. Come on. Shit, I'm stupid.
It's way too high. I'll kill myself if I jump.
Fuck! I'm trying to think. Would I have done this shit? I don't think I would have. Yeah. This is hard. 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 Also, why is it? Oh, I am sick. Is the front door available? Is the front door available?
I gotta find something else.
You do. You do. Do not jump. Oh, door right here? Yes, sir. Oh, that's more fire, yo. Oh! This nigga put a propane tank. You sick man. You sick bastard. This nigga put a propane tank. On door ain't supposed to be hot at. They all supposed to be hot as shit. This sick bastard put a thing there, yo. How the I don't know, but she's just fucking built different, nigga. She's just built different. She's just built different. She's just built different. Dog, what the fuck? Dog, this bitch is built different. This bitch got different DNA, yo. This bitch got different DNA. Come on, come on. Nah, it's too hot regardless. The window. Can't do the window. It's too hot regardless. Shit, ain't shit changing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, I can go over. Come on. It's lock in season. It's lock in season. Like, what's the reason? L1. Nah, hey yo, Big Breeze, left or right? Big Breeze, left or right? Come on, Big Breeze, left or right? Left or right? Come on, Big Breeze, left or right? Alright, so boom, baby. I'm waiting, my boy. Niggas always say right is right. Wait. You. No. You may be on. Wait. You may be on the sign. Right is always right. Think about it. Right is right. Is right. You feel me? Nah. Right is right. You want a left. I can't co-sign that, big bro. I can't co-sign that. So you go, bro. You know what? I'ma trust my gut feeling, and right is right. I went to the fucking kitchen. Oh, it's cooked. Oh, it's over. Oh, it's over, chat. Chat, it's over. Chat is over. Oh, fridge. Good eats. Oh, get this shit out the fridge, yo. Oh, it's about to blow up. Oh, it's about to blow up. Wait, it's about to blow up. It's about to blow up. Wait. Niggas don't. Yeah, she's dead, nigga. Yeah, she dead. She dead as hell, yo. She's fried. Cooked. Baked. Oh! Oh! No, she's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt. She's goated. My fucking goat. No, nah, nigga. The fridge is overpowered. She's goated. I don't know. Plot. She's goated. She's goated. Right is right. Right is right.
I know where Sean is. I've got to tell Ethan.
Wait. We're not change my nah. We're not. So I'm not gonna call Ethan, right? Due to the simple fact that, right? You already guessed where he was gonna go. Theodore Road. Ethan already knows ball now. He's already going there. Ethan's the guy's dad. Who's Jaden?
I know where Sean Mars is. I've got to call that FBI guy Jaden.
Yes, call
He's
Jaden.
the only one I can trust.
Yes, call Jaden. Call Jaden.
He'll be able to save him.
Yeah, call Jaden. Confirm. Call Jaden. Calling Jaden.
My name is Madison Page. You don't know me. I'm a journalist. We don't have much time, so listen carefully. Ethan Mars is innocent. The killer's name is Scott Shelby.
Yes.
Sean Mars.
Cook.
It's at 852 Theodore Roosevelt Road. Have you got all that?
Hold on, how did you
No, please, I'll explain later. You can call my newspaper, American Tribune. I'll tell you who I am. Please hurry. Sean Mars may still be alive.
Yo, we lit. Yes. Ethan, yes. That's the guys. Yes, and Jay's the one with the glasses, yes. Yes, Jay's one with the glasses. Fun fact, I'm just now realized that nigga name is Jaden. The guy with the glasses, yes. And the killer is Scott Shelby. That fat nigga. Bro, that was my goat, bro. That was my goat. This comeback will feed families. Go in, nigga. Now imagine I jumped off the roof though. That'd have been. LeBron bank shot, nigga. Cold as ice. Oh, I'm Sean now. Oh yeah, most fun fact. So basically, right? Who's the fourth character? Yeah. The girl, the fat nigga, that's the killer. That's Scott. He was one of our boys. Scott, Jaden, and Ethan. Those are the four. We was playing as the killer. We got glasses, / fridge bitch, and the shorty. Yeah. So let me put you on game, right? So Ethan, right, he was doing a bunch of trials, right? To get like the hangman pieces. You know hangman, right? Where you get to fill out the letters and shit like that. So, and I think one of them, I had to kill a guy, but I said, nah, I'm not killing a nigga, you feel me? I already chopped off his fingers, so I'm thinking if I killed that guy, I would have had enough pieces for that hangman and would have narrowed it down to like 2 Theodore Roads or something like that.
Sean!
Come on. Where's Sean at?
I've been looking for a long time.
Oh my god, this bitch ass nigga.
Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could
A
not.
nigga with daddy issues, yo.
Sacrifice himself in order to save his son. Oh, I searched.
Oh, what are you on about, nigga? I'm finding my kid.
And then I remembered you.
This sick fuck.
All those murders, just to find a father capable of saving his son.
Just to find a father? Do you have any idea how it feels to be a worthless nothing in your father's eyes? Believe me.
Yo, this nigga lost Bo. You don't understand. Like the way I used to like big up this man. I used to say he's the homie. He's big dog. He's top shooter. Now to find out he's a serial killer loser, son. This shit is like heartbreaking, yo. Just as
much as my victims.
No, you was a fat nigga with daddy issues, yo. Pissing me. This nigga bitching. Essentially, that flashback, right? We saw the little kid was like drowning. His dad would not save his twin brother because he was a drunk loser. So this nigga decided, I'm gonna start killing kids. Oh, and also, right? For every kid he kidnaps, right? He sends the father on like a goose chase to like try to save their kid and stuff like that. To see if he can find a proper father. Like, this nigga's a loser, yo. And I'm about to beat the game too.
I finished your damn trials. Now give me back my son.
He's there. All you have to do is open that crate.
Oh, word? Oh! What's the... Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Shoot that nigga! 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 Ray Lewis! Go dead! Boom!
I'll get you out of there, Sean.
I need a gun. I gotta find some. Can I use something like break? Is that like a big rock or somewhere? Big rock somewhere? Or the blick? You drop the blick. Come on. Fuck. Nah, it's useless, dog. It's useless. Can I stop? Oh, it's not useless. Come on. Come on. Get my son. Come on. Come on. Get him. Come on, Sean, my goat. My child. Mouth to mouth. Sean. Oh, I'm about to kill you, fat motherfucker. I hate you. You about to die. You fat mother... You fucking fat bitch. I hate you, bro. You dying, nigga. Get the fuck off me, yo. And your fucking child, nigga. And yo... Oh, nah, stupid. Stupid ass nigga. Oh! Like he on my ass, yo. Oh! A weave? Down. Stupid ass thing. Weave. Oh, he's wildin'. Oh shit. Weave. Come on.
Take your positions. The suspect is likely to be armed and dangerous. All personnel are ordered to shoot to kill. I repeat.
Shoot to kill.
Kill. Ash, are the snipers in position?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Oh, they got the snipers?
Perfect. He won't get away this time. We'll gun him down as soon as he shows his face. Hey! You there! What are you doing?
Lieutenant, my name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I have proof that Ethan Mars is innocent. He's not the origami
Ash,
killer.
what is a journalist doing here? I thought I told everybody to keep their mouths shut. Now get her out of here. I don't want her getting in the way.
Okay, Lieutenant. All right, come on.
You're about to make a terrible mistake,
No,
Lieutenant.
chill, nigga.
Ethan Mars is innocent. I can prove it.
Hold on, bugging. Get your kneecap. Get your kneecap. Get your do these niggas not see me throwing hands up here, yo? Do these cops not see me fighting for my fucking life? Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Up top. Up top. Right. Come on, nigga, get your kneecap, boy. Come on, Sean.
Please. Breathe.
Come on, Sean.
Gotta breathe.
Come on, Sean. 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 Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Please, 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 Sean. Please, Sean. Please, Sean. Come on. Oh, come on. I played this entire game looking for your stupid ass. Come on. Come on.
Don't leave me. Sean, don't leave me.
Come on, Sean. Come on. No, bro. Bro, you shitting me, yo? Come on now, come on now, come on. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. Come on. Bro, come on. Open your eyes, man. Open your... Was that too late, dog? Like, what? There's no way, because I would have drunk the poison. Oh, that's... Strive for greatness. Strive for greatness. Strive for greatness. Strive for greatness. Kid from Akron. Strive for greatness, nigga. I'm striving for it.
Dad, I knew you'd come and save me.
My boy!
Ash, get her out of my face.
Mars didn't do it, for Christ's sakes. He's innocent.
Hey, what are you doing?
What do we do? All personnel, hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire.
What's going on?
The cops. They're out there. They have the building surrounded.
You know what's crazy? Yo, Morris, if you never, like, guessed Theodore Road, right? And I used my only phone call to call Ethan to tell him that he's over there. That boy Sean would have died along with Ethan. Cause I failed as the cop. Yeah. I failed as the cop. Ooh, W clutch.
Shoot you if you go outside.
I'll go out alone. I'll talk to them. I'll explain.
No, they got snipers there.
Before you can open your mouth. Look, we'll all go out together with our hands in the air, and they can't possibly shoot us. We have the evidence that proves your innocence.
Listen, I'm sorry I didn't trust you.
Okay,
I was
it's
only
okay.
thinking about Sean, and I thought...
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm staying inside,
The
dog.
only thing that matters is that you saved your son.
No, nigga. How many weapons you letting this nigga get, yo? Oh yeah, I'm dropping you, stupid ass.
Save me.
Hold up. Save him or not save him? Nah, but he has to atone for his sins and crimes, dog. Cause right, I'm trying to think from the bigger picture right now. I'm trying to think of the bigger picture, right? No. Okay, you might say stupid, right? Save him. Don't save him, right? But these niggas have it in their mind that Ethan is the killer. Remember that. The cops have it in his mind that Ethan's the killer. With this bitch ass nigga gone, like just dead, they not gonna believe shit, gang. They're not gonna jack it. You feel me? They not gonna jack it. If that bitch nigga is gone. I need Ethan to have his innocence, dog. Trust me, I would have killed this nigga too. I want to kill this bastard too, gang. Trust me. I want this nigga gone. I want him in the meanest spliff. I want this nigga in the meanest spliff, yo. Most, what you think, nigga? You got the verdict. What you think, Morris? You got the verdict, gang. You have all day. If you want to kill this nigga, we can kill this nigga. Save him, you sure? And diddle his piddle? Nah, but like he a bitch ass nigga though. Not gonna lie, he kills kids for a living. He kills kids. You say save him? Man, I hope I don't regret this, yo. Mose, oh, you sure we gonna save this nigga? Oh, you sure that's the way we gonna do this thing? We gonna save this bitch ass nigga that killed kids because he has daddy issues. I'm waiting on your turn. I'm not gonna chat. People in the stream right now. Let's say live with 2 viewers. Let's fucking go. You made a good point. That he kills kids. What if they just snipe all 3? But like, okay, okay, right? I played too many, nigga. Like, you ever seen? That's why I'm like, save him. But you know the things where it's like, you save a dumbass nigga, and that dumbass nigga then turns on you to beat your ass. I'm thinking, what if a situation like that happens? And no, they're not shooting all 3. That's shooting the kid that you were supposed to save. That's bad press right there. Shooting the kid that you're supposed to save, that is bad press. Yeah, like The Walking Dead. Oh, that happened so many times. I'm trying to forgive him. Who got betrayed in The Walking Dead? No, I low-key kind of changed my stance, though. I want this nigga gone. If you don't kill Lily... Oh, yeah. You know what? I think we gotta be... You know what? I vote. We murk this bitch ass nigga. I'm not gonna lie to you. Pack him up. What do you say, pal? You packing him up? Kill him? That's all I needed to hear. Smoking on your pack, nigga. Smoking on your pack, nigga. Smoking on the Scotty pack and the sliders. I'm laughing to the bank like da ha ha. Stupid ass nigga. Please don't snipe this nigga.
this morning when the police announced that they had found Sean Mars alive more than 4 days after his disappearance.
4 heroes.
Mars had been imprisoned in a well by the man known as the Origami Killer. The successful resolution of this case was made possible only by the bravery of Ethan Mars.
Let's go,
who was
Chad.
believed at one point to be the killer. It is no doubt due to his great courage and tenacity that he succeeded in foiling the plans of the Origami Killer. The police commissioner presented him with an official apology today. Our main headline today: it is reported that the police have identified the man thought to be the Origami Killer.
Let's
Scott
fucking go,
Shelby,
Chad.
48,
Bitch ass
is a
nigga.
former police lieutenant who claimed to be a private eye hired by the families of the killer's victims. Shelby was killed during a massive police operation, but further details have not yet been released to
Bitch
the
ass
public.
nigga. Ugly ass nigga, yo. Let's fucking go, yo. I beat the game. Everybody lived too.
Let's
That's
just
go.
say a friend of a friend let me jump in line. If we like it, it's ours.
And he got a new. Yo, Morris. This nigga had, bro. This nigga has a come up of greatness going. Cause PG, I'm not sure you remember, right? When his first kid died, right? Shortly after, his wife divorced him. Now he's famous. Got a new bitch. And his kid, oh my God, he's up. That's what I'm saying, yo.
Hey, Dad! I think I found my room!
A story of greatness.
What do you think?
It's perfect, Ethan. We'll be able to forget what happened. We'll lead a normal life.
That's what I'm saying, boy.
One day, it'll all just seem like a bad dream.
About to have another one. Right.
We've earned the right to be
If you
happy.
give me that option, that's what I'm. We did it before.
All three of us.
They did it before, gang. Bro, they did. Now I want to find all the bad endings for this shit.
New hero for our times. Astonishingly, he almost single-handedly ended the sinister series of killings by the man known as the Origami Killer and saved the life of young Sean Mars.
W.
His determination, courage, and intelligence.
Leave the drugs alone, gang. Leave the drugs alone, twin. Put that universe booth alone. He not taking this shit. Put the universe booth alone, gang. Leave that shit alone. Proud of you, gang. Proud of you, twin. Proud of you, twin. No. He just takes the drugs in general. No. He just takes the drugs in general, gang. He's an addict. What is he doing right now? What? Is he officially like tweaking, dog? Why they pointing at my boy? My boy just like officially tweaking? Like, is he? She was working with the killer too. Oh yeah, and peep more game, right? So this is a mother of one of the victims. She was working right next to the nigga, yo. He
killed
lied
my
to her
son,
and shit.
Scott. Were you thinking about that when you held me in your arms?
Nah, bro, she ain't no born, nigga. He was. Nobody knew this nigga was the killer until like we found out this dream, gang. That's wild.
I don't know why you did all this. Nothing can justify it anyway. I feel nothing but contempt for you.
And they gave this bum nigga a headstone too.
Nothing but contempt.
Yeah, spilling that nigga's grave, yo. Fucking dumbass pork chop ass nigga. October 11th, 2011.